Hello, my name is Amanda, and this recording I'm going to explain what I've learned during the first week of this course. I'll try to explain it in a simple way, as if I were telling a family member at home. The first thing I learned is the developmental system approach. This approach sees a child's development as the result of many connected factors, such as genetics or heredity, the brain and the body, the surrounding environment, everyday experiences, and even time or life history. All of these factors don't work separately, they influence each other all the time. There are two main theories within the developmental system approach. The first one is Bronfenbrenner's theory, called the bioecological model of human development. This theory describes how a child grows within layers of environment, such as microsystem, mesosystem, exosystem, macrosystem, and chronosystem. According to Bronfenbrenner, a child develops through active interaction with all of these layers. Then, there is another theory from Gilbert Gottlieb called probabilistic epigenesis. The main idea is that a child's development is not determined by genes alone, it's also influenced by the child's experiences, daily behavior, and the social environment. So, genes are not fixed instructions, they can be turned on or off depending on what the child experiences. After learning how complex and interconnected all these factors are, from genes and the brain to behavior and social context, I realized that one single discipline is not enough to explain development. That's why this approach requires collaboration across many fields of study. This is what we call an interdisciplinary approach. Why does it have to be interdisciplinary? This approach needs input from multiple fields. Because child development is complex, we need biology to understand genes and the body, psychology to understand emotions and behavior, sociology to understand the child's social environment, and even education and health science to support their growth and learning. If we look at development from only one point of view, we miss the full picture. I'd like to share a real life experience that helped me understand how this developmental system approach works in practice. I once had a student, and I wouldn't call him a naughty child, but he was extremely active. At the time, he wasn't able to speak, and I tried to connect with him by playing together and encouraging him to talk. Curious about his behavior, I tried to learn more about his background, and I discovered that he spent most of his time with a babysitter because both of his parents were working full time. It seemed to me that he was seeking attention, and sometimes he would do that by teasing his friends. And I decided to talk to his parents about his development, and I suggest that they try to communicate more regularly with him to help stimulate his speech and build a stronger emotional connection. Thankfully, they responded positively. They started to make time for him, especially during important school events. and they came when invited. Since then, I've seen a big difference. He looked happier, and although his speech still wasn't completely clear, he was making good progress. And this experience showed me that a child's development is shaped by many layers: family, caregivers, daily interaction, daily interaction, emotional support, just like Bronfenbrenner and Gottlieb described. And when all these systems start to work together, the child can truly grow and thrive. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to my explanation. I hope it was clear and easy to understand. I really enjoyed learning these theories, and I'm looking forward to the next part of the course. Thank you, and thank you again, and have a nice day.